Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In this video, we are going to learn how you can install the MetaTrader app on your Android phone. So it's very simple process. Let's get started. So I'll write on Google MetaTrader 5 and it's not available on the Play Store, right? So what you will do is just directly scroll to the MetaTrader official website and just click on that. And it says get it on Google Play, but like I said, it's not available in some countries on Google Play. So what you will do is click on MetaTrader 5 APK and it will ask you for the permission to download. Let's click on download and click on open. And let's install. Now the app is installed. If it's showing some restrictions, you need to make some changes in the settings under the developer tab to allow the external applications to be installed in your Android phone. So I have enabled mine. You can check yours. Let's click open. And here is the main screen. Now it's asking you by default to open a demo account. I'll click on accept. And if you want to open the demo account, by default, it opens $10,000 of a demo account. So let's click on it and it will set up a demo account for us. You can check that account in here. Go to this hamburger sign and click on manage accounts. And here you have the demo account ready. So that's it, guys. This is how you can install the MetaTrader application on your Android phone. If you want to learn how you can manually open a demo account of any size like $100,000 or $200,000, so you can specify that. So if you want to learn that, I'll link the video in the I button so you can check that out, and I'll see you in the next one.